Hey guys, welcome. Today I have to confess I'm stressed out. All those topics, all those lessons, this exercises, man, Cody, that's too much. That's too much. I have to have a
Not
break.
enough tea, young man. Not enough tea. That's always the problem. Like tea, if you're stressful, drink tea.
Yeah, I have a
With
tea
the
here,
stress that flows away with tea. So more stress, more tea, no problem.
but then I need a lot more tea. Still,
What are you drinking, man?
a white tea right now.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, white is good. White tea from it's a silver needle.
Ah, nice. Yeah, I
Yeah,
like those. They're
yeah,
so beautiful.
yeah. Definitely. Like also the taste. It's not too direct. It has a sweetness.
Mm-hmm.
Um yeah, and it's just good flavors.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
They come in so many varieties, but yeah, definitely very, very soft. Like white tea is usually compared to green tea, so I don't know, it's more kind and subtle, right? And that's I think a
Yeah.
lot of people would never drink white tea because it's just not strong. I don't know, here in the West, a lot of people for them strong is good. And
Yeah, but
and
then
they don't love this complexity and also this variety and bloominess sometimes the white teas have, but not so strong.
yeah, you have to be more sensitive about it. Then you can
Mm-hmm.
enjoy it more. I think
Most
maybe
definitely. Most
the
definitely.
guys lost sensitivity to it.
Yeah, it happens easily if you
Yeah,
um
could be.
uh, I mean, if you smoke already, that's such a huge difference. I never smoked, but a lot
Yeah,
of people
me
reported
neither.
to me that
Yeah.
when you smoke and stuff, you lose the sensitivity. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm drinking actually. Uh, the package says Palmutan, but that sounds like they did again. Their English Chinese. It's actually Baimudan. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
that's white peony. It's
Okay.
also white tea.
Yeah.
Though I'm not sure white peony is usually a flower, so I'm really confused. I guess they scented maybe the Camellia sinensis tea with peony flowers or something
Mm.
like it.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, I cannot explain it because I definitely don't drink peonies at the moment. So
Yeah.
need to research it a bit more. Also, white tea really nice, man. Like next time we meet up, you get a package from me from that.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
really
We definitely have to
it's
do a
really nice.
drink together, yeah.
Yeah. So break week.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
Break week,
yeah.
finally.
You. So we've been to lesson 4 so far. 4 has been a kind one. 3 has been a pretty bigger one. Um, and I hope you guys also did your exercise so far. We will do a break week. Also for people to catch up, for you to connect to us. So reach out in this week. I will schedule something on Discord too. So we will be around. And you can come around and you can ask questions or just hang out with us and drink a tea, whatever you like. We are just around. Um, so that's quite important. Yeah. Afterwards, the party will start with CI, which many people actually don't know who never really did it professionally. Um, so yeah, that's a big topic, continuous integration and pipelines. So prepare the pause week is to calm your nerves for the upcoming task, Manu.
Okay. I will drink a lot of tea and hope that helps.
Yeah, I better prepare a lot of tea ahead too. Um,
No, CICD is no joke. I mean, I barely touched it, but yeah, it's it's a yeah, it's a deep topic. You could spend ages, I think, in this.
yeah, you can become basically a DevOps engineer. That's what it's called. when you when you
Yeah.
do this seriously, you become a DevOps engineer.
Yeah.
Um, so yeah, you could spend 24/7 on stuff like that. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we just show stuff and you can go in. Yeah, afterwards, more topics come. Pre-commit hooks, they're useful, not that important, but useful, and you might encounter them, and they make you look really cool when you have something set up like this. Unit testing, it looks a little bit late to the party, but we spared it a bit afterwards. That's a bigger one, how to test your code properly, and there will be a few tricks and hints. You will be surprised.
Okay.
Documentation, most people don't care about that. That's actually if you apply to a job for me and you don't provide documentation to your code you deliver, then you're done.
But it's more than the README. It's
Yeah, that's more than the README, exactly. At least a nice markdown file, I always say. But there's a lot to learn here too, how to properly document your stuff.
Yeah.
And afterwards, then we will go with another topics and so forth. But so prep yourself. We will also slowly prep the next task, which will be way more difficult than the last one. The last one was just a nice entry point
to
get
God.
you. Especially Manu, I ripped you apart already at the last one. I still feel a bit bad about it because this was really a badass review. We linked maybe the video in the description where I did the review for him, but it was like, I don't know how many lines. 200 lines or something, and I don't know, 30 or 40 comments I did at least.
It was quite a few, but the linter then didn't struck me too bad, so that was quite a good thing to accomplish. So just got 2 comments on the linter.
I got smacked by the linter so often today. I gave my colleague who didn't format his file. When he submitted it to a PR, I did the linting for him. Basically, I recognized there's a space missing. You need. and I realized how badly I got branded over the years that I know all of these rules in my head.
Do your linting. That's important.
Yeah, do your linting. Drink your tea. Do your linting.
Yeah.
Do the laundry. That's all important. Keep things clean.
It's basically coding housekeeping, right? So linting is just making things tidy.
Yeah, but when you move in, it's okay to have a bit of a dirt, but then clean up afterwards quickly. Okay, so this is it. We're really looking forward that you keep it up. And we're also happy to get any feedback from you and input what you want. What lessons you would go maybe a little bit deeper, and we can also have a bit of capacity on the side maybe to squeeze in a video or two depending on where you want to see more. So we do this also for your needs. Let us know what your needs are. And
take the chance.
Take the chance, really. I can assure you, you will not get chances like this too often for free. But
that's right.
I do this to slap Manu and feel good about it. and for you all at the same time. That's a pretty good combination,
I'm sacrificing myself for you.
No, you're not, man. You're doing a good job. I'm always surprised.
I'm always learning. Let's say it's that. I'm always learning. But it's a journey, and there's a few steps to be taken. So I can see that already.
For all of us, in some stuff I'm a professional technical lead or senior, but then you go one step to the left and you're a noob again. That's pretty normal, man. It's impossible to learn it all, and I think to keep in the heart that you're always a noob and a professional at the same time is what is pretty healthy.
Nobody can do everything perfect.
It's impossible. So absolutely.
Yeah, but some guys feel like that, and they will, they won't do that such good as they could do if they would have a more humble opinion about the topics and stuff.
One last thing also regarding the videos you would like to see. We could also provide some videos out of the box. So if you want, I give some shots here right in the comments, please. We can do hiring something. If you're interested how the hiring process goes and to give you some tips and hints about it.
That would be great. I could play. Let's see if you would hire me. After all those slapping.
You can apply and we go through your CV and I tell you what you would need to do that I hire you. Okay. That would be maybe something nice. Right, one of these things, we can do more about hiring. We can do something a little bit about I don't know, sprints or something like it, how the daily life looks a bit more like. Whatever you like. Think not only about code and the coding skills, whatever you feel is missing or what you heard about and you want to know more, we can help you get a view of it. And Manu and I will do our role play.
Yes. We will do that, yeah.
You're sweating already, I can feel it.
Yeah. Yeah, the task, the next task, I'm afraid you will pick something very steep from the little weather API, and I will have to struggle
I would
with
never
that.
do that.
No, you wouldn't. Yeah.
I would never show you how that doing stuff cleanly would be extremely painful and take a lot of time.
No, you wouldn't, right? Yeah, I can see myself sweating.
That's good, man.
Yeah.
Sweat is healthy.
Yeah, right.
Okay, then we wish you all a good evening. Subscribe if you didn't already and you like it. If you don't like it, then of course don't do it. And yeah, see you hopefully soon and see you hopefully in the Discord. Look in the description.
Yeah. All right. In this case, thank you for watching and bye, guys.
Bye bye.